876 Street.
Good evening, race fans. Unfortunately, it's still raining. It pretty much your end to what was expected to be a nice showdown for the elimination rounds going into the semi-finals and finals for some of the faster classes. We were just about to start with the 11-second class when the rain started at about 2:30, and it's now after 6:30. It didn't ease up. With all the preparations we made, we had all the equipment ready to heat the track, dry the track, and have racing going within an hour after a rain down, but it hasn't eased up and it doesn't look like it's going to stop, so we decided to call it an end of this event. Fortunately for us, the drivers are happy. We've met on neutral grounds and did some payouts for the classes that were complete, and even those who didn't complete the classes and didn't even get a chance to run in the eliminations. Persons got some payouts, so persons feel happy knowing that they were compensated for the effort. We know a lot of racers traveled from far, so it's what we could do. As I said, racing is nothing without the participation and the support from the racers, so that's why we started all of this, and we just wanted to extend the gratitude to let them know that we appreciate them coming out here today. So unfortunately, it's the end of day 2, our first event, Drag Rivals. We did our best. The day was going great. Drivers responded and appreciated the effort we made in organizing and preparing the track, so they're happy. So it's reassuring to me that we will continue to get the support from not just Westmoreland but Jamaica on a whole, from racers and sponsors and competitors and spectators. So thanks to everybody for coming out. We really appreciate sticking around. Even some persons sat down for 2-3 hours after the rain started and hope that it would have stopped so we would have continued the show. So Mother Nature took the best of event 1, so look out and we'll definitely be back for the second event. That's 876, big up.
An 876 Street endorsed event.